Sabrina Carpenter's Met Gala 2024 look was a big slay, and at this point I'm pretty much head over heels in love with that, so let's recreate our makeup. Wearing like a peachy coral blush. This one by Glow Hub would be perfect. It's the one called Peach Tea. Blush placement is usually quite high, so I'm gonna go all in, and it's usually very pigmented, which I think looks so good on her. What she has used is actually a powder, so this has got more of a cream finish, like a stick. But it definitely gives that full pigment pop that we're looking for. The eyes are very kind of bluey, grey, smoky, so I thought the BPerfect Amplified palette would be perfect for this. It's got like every single shade you would need when it comes to a smoky look. I'm going to take the shade Thunder on the lower lash line. You don't have to be too precise, it's just kind of one of them like finishing touches that just really brings it all together. I'm going in with the shade Flash at the brow bone. Personally find it easier to start with my transition shades and then deepen it, because where I've got hooded eyes, it kind of tucks under anyway. And I'm going to deepen the wing with Holla. Try and keep to like a V shape as if you're doing a wing. Kind of a very smooth smoky wing rather than like a full on eye makeup look. Using the shade Rich, go all over the lid just to blend out that wing a little bit, and also take that shade along the edges just so you don't have any harsh lines. And we're going to do a wing. I'm going to use the shade Intense. For placement I would go with whatever suits your eye best. Winged liner is very individual, and what looks good on Sabrina is not going to look good on me. Personally I'm sticking to a wing that doesn't really come along the eye, just is more on the outer corner. That gives a more cat-like effect as well. She does the best inner corners. I'm going to start with Boom. She takes it kind of underneath her eye towards the lashes and then brings it up into this kind of socket, and it really opens up your eyes. It looks so good. I'm going to top that with this shimmery shade Turn Up. I'm going to really go in with this. It's like her signature thing. She also has a bit of a frosty glow to her face. I'm using the Pixi on the Glow Superglow in the shade IcePearl. She's placed it down her nose like in an exclamation point kind of vibe, and I actually think her cheeks are a little bit matte, but I think it would look really good. I just love glowy skin. I realised I forgot to finish my eyes. I'm going to go in with mascara. Either like 3/4 lashes or asymmetrical lashes like these. Lips is kind of like a brown nude liner. Lips and cheeks look the exact same shade, so I might as well go in with the same blush. Literally tap it in the middle. Ta-da, you've got an ombre effect. And that is the finished look. Was this not the perfect timing to have my bangs put back in? I'm going to film an updated bangs tutorial because I found a very easy way to style it like this. So make sure you're following if you want to see that.